In this video, I want to show you how to change the picture settings on your Vizio TV. So let's get started. Take your remote control and you're going to press the home button if you're not already on the home screen. Right, so next you're going to press the settings button located right over here. So this menu pops out, and maybe people are enticed to click the first option, picture mode, but don't go there. We need to go into the all settings option over here and then select picture. This will give us a lot more options. So over here we have picture mode, which we can change using the left and right buttons. I cannot suggest you a specific one because it really depends what you watch, but in my opinion, I think calibrated is the best. Then you have backlight. You can select again with the left and right arrow how much backlight you want. So if you're in a very dim environment and you don't want the TV blasting light at your eyes, well, you can lower that number. You have brightness as well. You can increase it or decrease it. Colors, you're gonna play with all these settings to find a sweet spot depending again on your TV and where you're gonna use it. Finally, you have color temperature. You have warm, cool, or normal. If you want to be color accurate, select normal. Okay. And then you have advanced picture. If these settings were not enough for you, you're gonna have even more different things that you can change. At the end, you can simply exit the menu by pressing the home screen, and it will apply any picture settings that you have selected over there. You won't have to do anything else. So thanks for watching. Hope this was useful. Please leave a like, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.